Bisa coba please.
Ngomong Inggris.
Yang bisa diaskin IL.
Kalau ngomong Indonesia kan?
Iya, kalau ngomong Indonesia, Mister.
Bro. Soalnya kalau di Indonesia kamu ngomongin dia nanti pada
Alah, Mister.
Mister, Pak Asyafras cuma menjaga.
Oh ya, jadinya aku bilang kan.
Nah, iya.
Bilang kan, Mister.
tinggal nanti gampang.
Bilang lah.
Gak bisa, itu ya kita cuma menjaga.
Kamu yang laptop kan gitu. Jaga ruangan.
Enggak apa-apa doang kan.
Ya, betul jawab. Kalau ditanya.
Makanya kita
Jadi kan Inggris juga juga.
oh iya, friend.
Ya, aku banget ini.
Oh, enggak, friend aja.
Kan sebenarnya ini.
Hah?
Tapi itu lah. Kalau pintar. Kalau nggak.
Wow.
Nggak pintar. Halo, Mer.
Halo, Mer.
Saya kan kira juga.
Inggris siapa ya?
Apa? Aja coba. Apa itu? Ya udah, dia udah SA. Dulu SA kita. Ada sakit kan. Udah SA. Bisa dia udah.
Inggris juga.
Halo, tidak masuk. Tadi pas itu kita paling kita oh ya berarti
Tapi kita udah tarik kok ya, belum ada. Udah tarik.
Ya, sudah tahu kan?
apa ya?
Nanti ada orang
Mister.
kira-kira
Wah, enak banget. Sudah gitu. Aduh, gitu ya. Oke, saya bilang ya.
Operation so important.
kenapa kok main lo tinggal siapa kan gambar kok
Terus apa itu linknya?
Bisa tawuran dia.
Itu sama seperti yang kita ya. Oh iya sih. Oh iya, presentasi buat apa ya?
Kalau bisa.
Oh iya, presentasinya buat apa ya?
Beneran.
Apa dia?
Karena itu kalau kita pengen goal 10 juga di future, nah sekarang kita harus
Oh, berarti di masa depannya saya mau punya uang 500 juta, berarti itu hari ini itu saya harus nabung berapa? Oh,
Kalau dia apa dia?
kalau segini kira-kira nanti berapa?
Oh, itu kali itu beneran.
Atau kayak kemarin yang
Beneran tawaran beneran bisa mati itu. Profesional dia.
baik kan guys, datang guys itu guys.
Itu ya. Boleh
Hello everyone. Yes, yes. Good morning, students. Good
morning.
Before we start our lesson today, please, as a leader, you can lead your class for greetings.
Listen up, please. Greetings to both teachers. Good morning, teacher.
Yes, good morning, students. You can sit down. Okay, students, today is special event for us, special day, because we have special guest from Australia, Mr. Gary. Please welcome Mr. Gary. Please say hey, Mr. Gary.
Hello, Mr.
Oh, okay. Mr. Gary from PGE.
Thank you for your very kind welcome. I'm happy to be here. My name is Gary Van Den Pelsen. I come from Haileybury, Melbourne, Australia. As you know, my school and your school are going to collaborate to teach VCE beginning soon. And I'm working with your teachers. Some are coming to Australia for further training, including so I'm very happy to be here, and I wish you all the best, and thank you for your warm welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, before we start our lesson, please you can put your handphone in your right side or your left side. Sorry, left side or right side. Okay. Okay, and you can prepare your laptop, but just prepare, not open the laptop, you just focus in the slide first, please. Just prepare. Okay, as we were met before, this is the second meeting for our big theme about financial mathematics. Last week, no. 2 days ago we met before and we talked about time value of money, about present value, and about future value. And now we will stand up and we will study about time value of money, and the goals for today is understanding present value and future value. This is all about financial mathematics. Okay, talking about financial mathematics, I will give you big sentence for today. The sentence is the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. Okay, very good. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. What do you think about this sentence? Whether you want to be volunteer for describe the sentence? Okay, Ferdinand, what do you think about the sentence?
So, in my opinion, the planting tree is about how we invest our money. It's because like 20 years ago, like stocks and golds are like much more cheaper, right? And that's why they said that the best time was to invest during 20 years ago. Since today, it will skyrocket and the price will go very high and you get rich. And the second best is right now. Well, why you may ask? Because of course it's better to start now than never, right?
Okay, thank you, Ferdinand. Anybody to be volunteer again? Anyone? So, what's the meaning of the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is now? Ready? To volunteer again? Ayana, maybe?
I think it's about continuous investigation to money. That's in finance, we still keep growing and growing as the time goes on. So when we invest 20 years ago and we receive it back now, it multiplied income, then it is the best to start the second time again.
Okay, thank you, Ayana. So, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. It's all about the time, right? Because time is always moving on. We can stop the time. As a human, we can follow the time, not time follow us, right? Okay. And about the time, we will talk about the money because time is money. Do you agree? Time is money. Do you agree with sentence time is money?
Yeah.
Okay, because when we have a lot of time, we have a lot of money. Okay. Okay. Why is saving important? Anybody know about this question? Why is saving important? Why when we have a money and how important when we can save our money right now? Ready? Angie, maybe. What do you think about why saving our money is so important?
Well, I think saving money is very important because, like, at some point we're gonna stop and uh,
Do you already save your money? Maybe you
Yeah.
have money for your from your parents and you save your money.
I save my money. And
How percentage your money you can save every day?
30.
30%? Okay, it's okay. Really? How about you? What do you think about why is saving so important?
If we save money, like a little portion of our money every day, if we save it, maybe in the future something might happen,
Hmm.
and we can use that safely.
Okay. We don't know about the future, right? We don't know about the future, and as a human, we just prepare all the things and all. Maybe in the future we don't know, and we just prepare for all the things that we have to do, and we must ready for inflation. Do you ever heard about the word inflation? Yes, inflation. What do you think about inflation? My friend, what do you think about inflation? Do you know about inflation? If you can describe the inflation, maybe you can give example with about inflation. This example in our daily lives, the simple things in our daily life. Maybe okay.
So inflation is the rise of cost of goods. So basically, for example, in the supermarkets, all the things always become more expensive over the years, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this correlates to saving because by saving or investing, our money that we have also increases because of what the bunga, yeah, the
Interest.
interest, interest. So so we can follow inflation basically. Because our money rises, while the cost also rises.
Okay, thank you, Justin. So, so many example in our daily life about inflation. Maybe today we can buy maybe martabak manis. Yes, we can buy martabak manis. The price is 20,000 rupiah maybe. But in 5 years later or 10 years later, I don't think so. When we buy the same thing, the martabak manis, the price is same. I don't think so. Okay. Maybe 5 years later, the price of martabak manis maybe 50,000, maybe yes, or maybe 100,000, 100,000. Yes, this is the example in our daily life about inflation. Inflation is prices always rise. Okay, because the time is always moving on, and there are inflation happen in our life. Okay, and talking about the money again, I have the picture. This is the illustration about our life. So, in the left side and right side of the image, okay, you can see and you can look the picture in the left side in your life. Okay, when you save your money, your gold, your plan maybe, and your many things that you have today, you can prepare your future with your best that you can. Okay, so when today you are can save your money or your gold or many things, you can prepare your best future in the next future. Okay, and the last meeting we talk about future value or FU. You remember about future value? Justin.
Okay, so sorry, from what I remember, I'm pretty sure future value means the future amount of our money. For example, when we invest a certain money now, we can count our future value to know the interest.
Okay. Can you give example in our daily life about future value?
So, for example, if we invest our money in stocks, we can count how much money we would have roughly by using the formula for future value.
Okay. But can you give example in our near daily life maybe about the future value?
Maybe
Hmm.
we can count how much money we have at the left at the end of the week.
Okay. For example, maybe Medina today has maybe $10,000. Okay, $10,000, and Ferdinand itself its money in, for example, the application, the application, and Ferdinand must calculate or determine the money in 10 years later or maybe 20 years later with interest. So all the application, financial application or all the bank account to have an interest or bunga, interest or bunga. So interest is make us to fight the inflation. Okay, we must fight the inflation because inflation is make our money so spend until zero, right? So we must fight the inflation with interest and with the investation. Okay, this is about the future value. Thank you, Justin. And okay, last meeting, I tell you about how to calculate future value manually. But I forgot. This is we will give the sign. Okay. Okay. Give the sign. So future value equals present value. What the meaning of present value? Present value is the money you have now times 1 plus I its interest or bunga. The power of n is the number of periods. Maybe you save for 5 years later, so n is 5. And when you save the money 10 years later, so n equals 10. Okay, and the second one is present value. You remember about present value? Can you describe what do you think about the present value?
In my opinion, I'm pretty sure present value is how much something is worth currently.
So can you give example in your daily life maybe about the present value? The simple things.
Maybe like my bottle is worth 30,000 rupees.
Oh.
So its present value is 30,000 rupees.
Okay, thank you. So present value is all about we can determine how we can spend our money right now for the best future in the next time. Okay. For example, Kevin want to buy a new car in 5 years later. Okay, 5 years later, maybe he want to buy a dream car. Maybe the price is how much? How much? Maybe 1 billion, 1 billion, maybe 1 billion. Kevin want to buy a new car 1 billion in 5 years later. So, how much Kevin can spend the money and invest the money right now? That is the present value. Okay, so this is the how to calculate present value with memory or with formula. The formula is PV or present value equals FV or future value divided by 1 plus I to the power of n. I'm sorry, the time. Okay, this is the manually or with formula that we can calculate present value manually. Okay, next. Okay. The first step we can find and we can calculate the present value or future value with manually or with formula. But we can using Excel or Google Sheet tool for solve all the problem in present value or future value. This is the quick formula I already sent to you in the last meeting, right? And future value, the formula or the quick formula is equals FV, rate, and per PMT and PV. And the for present value with equals PV, rate, and per PMT and future value. And last meeting you already to solve all the case with Excel or Google Sheet. So today we have an example for real world challenge. Okay, you can read the sentence or the question about Rehan's dream bike. Okay, Jessica, can you read for us the question?
Rehan wants to buy a full mountain bike in 2 years. The bike will cost $2. He can put his money in. So the bike will cost $2,000. He can put his money in saving account at 10% interest per year. The challenge is how many money must Rehan put in bank today so he can buy the bike in 2 years?
Okay, thank you, Jessica. So you have to know about the case. It's all about present value or future value. Jessica, what do you think about this case? Present value or future value?
We know that the future value of the bike is $2,000 in 2 years. So what we need to count now is the present value.
Okay, yes. So this is the present value test here. And we must know about today, we as a Rehan. Okay, this is we as a Rehan. So we can put in the bank how much money today, so we can buy the bike in 2 years later. Okay, so this is about the present value. And how to calculate, I will give you example, and you can prove it manual way or sheet. Google Sheet, actually Google Sheet. The manual calculation with the formula, you can use the formula of present value, okay, and the right side, you can prove it Google Sheet. Okay, I already teach you last meeting about how to calculate with Google Sheet. I know challenge for you is your classroom task for today is step 1. You must and you have to solve 4 challenges using the manual formula on your paper. If you don't have paper, I will give you a paper. And step 2, you can open your Google Sheet and you can prove your answer with the formula and you can prove with Google Sheet. And step 3 is prove it with the manual and digital result match and explain why. Okay, you can see and you can look all the talents in your laptop, so you can open the laptop and you can open the material for today that I shared for. We have 4 challenges for today. The challenge 1, the first challenge is the influencer, the second challenge about the world tour, the third challenge is about first car, and the fourth challenge is about entrepreneur. So please solve all the questions, all the challenges from the number 1 until number 4. Okay, you can prove with manual and you can prove with your Google Sheet. Can you calculate with the same answer or not? Okay, if you don't have paper, you can put the paper. You can take the paper, the tablet. Okay, done? Done? Okay.
Welcome to the 6 Vote. Get ready to explore new concepts and expand your understanding.
You already solved for balance one? Okay, can you solve for number one in the whiteboard, please? And can you solve number two in the whiteboard, please? Okay, that's good. Okay, Nicholas, you solve number three in your whiteboard. Yeah. Can you press your answer around the question? Okay. Then our friends will present their work, the whiteboard, and from Kevin, MG, Nico, and Ariana. Yes. Kevin will read the question first. You can open the question. You can read the question first, and you have to present your answer. Whiteboard. Okay. Okay. Start from you.
Okay, so for the first question, the scenario is you just graduated and you put your 1,000 rupees into a high interest savings account, which is 8% per year, and you want to buy a pro camera in 3 years. And the task is how much will you have in 3 years? Or asking the future bit. Okay, so this is my answer. So you need to calculate the future value. So and we are the present value is 1,000 and the interest is 8% over 3 years. And the rate is 3 because it's 3 years. So we just put it into the formula, which is BP times 1 plus the interest and we our by the end or the period. So for the present value is 1,000 and the interest is 0.08 and the period is 3. After calculating into the formula, we get 1,000 times 0.125971 and we just type it and it becomes $1,259. $1,259.71. And that is also the final.
Okay. Do you have the same answer with Kevin?
Yes.
Okay. Kevin, your plus for Kevin. Katakan buat edit, ya. So far itu.
Okay, so for challenge number 12, the scenario is your favorite artist is starting next year. A VIP ticket costs $600 in a year, and a safe investment brings you 5% interest. So the question is, how much money do we need to save so that in a year we can buy the ticket for your favorite artist? So
Yes, you can open the window.
okay, so the money that we need for in a year is $600, and the rate of the investment is like 5% per month. So we're gonna use the formula of the present value. Wait, we're gonna find the present value, which is the formula of PP equal to future value divided by 1 plus interest and time. Okay, so we're gonna input all of the things that we know, and we're gonna calculate them. That equals to 600 divided by 1.79585632602, and it equals to $334 and what in the seconds.
Okay, friends, you have the same answer with entity or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Your personal answer. Okay, next. Nicholas.
Okay. Then you want to save for a down payment. You have 2,500 pay. You fund a fund that pay 10% the interest. If you leave that money for 5 years, what will be the total amount? That means this person talk about the future value. So, so for the future value is 2,500 times 1 plus 0.1%. 0.1 is from 1%. Yes. And then the 5 is of how long? For the year. And then 1.1 times the power of 5 is 1.61051 times 2,500. The total is 4,026.275.
Okay, friends, you have the same answer?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Nicholas. The last question, please, Rihanna.
Okay, so the last challenge says that you dream of opening a small coffee stall and you need $4,000 in 2 years to buy the equipment. And the interest rate is 12% per year. So how much should you invest now to hit that 4,000 target exactly? So basically, this question asks us about the present value that we need to find. So we know that our future value or target is $4,000, and the periods that it needs is in 2 years, and then the interest rate is 12% per year. So to find the present value, we just divide the future value with 1 plus the interest and the power of to the power of the period, which is like 4,000 divided by 1 plus 0.12 the power of 2. So we get 3,188.77 dollars in the end.
Okay, thank you. Okay, any question for all the talents for today? For the talent?
No.
Okay, and next talent for us, you have to five talents again, and you have to solve for maybe 10 minutes. 10 minutes until 50 minutes. Okay, you can solve the question, all the question. Just five questions. Okay, you can calculate with manually and you can prove with Excel or Google Sheet. Done. Thank you. Can you solve for number one, please? You can write your answer in the blackboard. Sorry, blackboard. Alice, can you determine calculate for the number two? Yes. Wendelin, you have asked for number two. Okay, for number four, can you also, Mr. Yes. For number five, Jessica, please. So for number five, okay, you can use another five. Jessica, you can. Yeah, number five. Students, you can check your friend's answer in the of you. Yeah, you can check if the answer is different with you, maybe. Okay. If you have the different number because you have to round up, it's okay. Okay, but the number is the same. Okay, you can check from number 1 until number 5. Okay, you can check with your answer. So, for number 1, anyone different? Anyone have different? For number 2? Okay. For number 2?
I actually wrote the answer for number 3. It was supposed to be $1,028.
Yes.
$1,028, not 1,622.
Okay. For number 3?
And number two. Okay, number two, it's not supposed to be 6, but it's supposed to be 0.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, number 3? Okay, number 4? Different? Okay, you can check. What do we check in number 4?
The future value is different. It's supposed to be 5,000 instead of 500.
Yeah.
And the interest is supposed to be 10%. Again, 0.1. It's a factor of 0.1.
Actually, you can help patron for
Sure.
solve number 4.
I think I typed it.
Oh, iPhone. It's okay. But then they help you or fix your iPhone. Okay, thank you, Ferdinand. So the Ferdinand, thank you, Ferdinand. So, what about number 4 now? Okay? Okay, thank you, Ferdinand. Thank you, Ferdinand. It's okay. For number 5? Okay, okay. So, all the number we can solve for number 1 until number 5. So, this is all the talents for today. Any question?
No.
Me, no.
Okay, that will be up. So, what we learn for today? Okay, Alcio, can you get for us what you learn today?
For me, I think that is material for the perspective on how you look your money or asset to a certain targeted value, or how we could save our money against future financial crises that we don't know. For example, by investing in gold that hedge against inflation.
Okay, thank you, Alcio. Anybody want to people to get to give conclusion for today? Maybe what you learn from today. Very good. People this. Arian, what you learn today?
Always watching financial management and of course we use that our planning in the future to make sure that we are safe from financial crisis or any problem that we face in the future, either is from ourselves until or the worldwide level.
So we can calculate the future value and present value, right? Okay, this is our meeting for today. I hope you can prepare for the next meeting. The next week you can prepare the financial mathematics of annuity for this and for next week. Sorry, for next week you can. I will teach you about annuity in present value and future value. Okay, time's up. Thank you for today. As you can sit your turn to greetings.
Now, please. Greeting to leader.
Welcome. You can. You have to celebrate.
Open the book.